Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow ice cream. First, you'll need a few simple ingredients to get started on this delightful treat. Grab 2 cups of cold, heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are well chilled. This helps the cream whip up beautifully. You can also prepare any extra flavorings now. Now, let's create the creamy base for our ice cream. Pour your 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream into that chilled mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed. Watch carefully as it transforms, stopping when soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overwhip, as we want a smooth, airy texture. Next, we'll combine our key ingredients. Take your 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and gently fold it into the whipped cream using a spatula. Be sure to mix until just combined, maintaining that lovely airy texture. Then, carefully fold in about 1 cup of mini marshmallows. If you're adding other flavors like vanilla extract or chocolate chips, now is the perfect time to incorporate them evenly. Finally, it's time to freeze your delicious creation. Carefully spoon the marshmallow ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container, ensuring it's spread evenly. Cover the container tightly with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent any ice crystals from forming on the surface. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's perfectly firm and ready to scoop and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.